if it makes me blind, I just wanna see the light. Breathe in, leave it.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Mary Gang. So today we're going to make toothpaste.
Hold on, what?
Toothpaste. We're gonna make toothpaste.
We're making toothpaste.
Yes, everyone knows that I'm a health freak. And I found out you can make your own toothpaste at home, fluoride free, and that's what I love. So it's the kids' bedtime, and I'm getting ready to test this out on them, right? So we're gonna make it with coconut oil, baking soda, and for flavor, we're gonna use peppermint oil, okay? Now, the benefits of this. So coconut oil actually kills bacteria. What else does it do? It makes your teeth white and sparkly and healthy. So we love coconut oil. Baking soda, it is the the abrasive part of the toothpaste, so it's going to help scrub it and get it really nice and clean, and also it helps to whiten your teeth. The peppermint oil is really just for that minty flavor, and then hopefully the kids will like it better if it tastes good. So to make this, I'm gonna make two for me and my hubby, and the children, they're gonna have their own. So to make this, you need equal parts coconut oil and baking soda. Louis. Okay. All right, Warren. So give me like 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Heaping teaspoons.
Oh, that's so hard. It looks like it's very milky, but instead it's very, very sturdy.
It's sturdy.
I don't know what to say.
It's firm.
Yeah, it's firm.
In each. So put like 3 more in here.
3 more.
So it's gonna be 3 teaspoons.
I thought you said 2.
Here.
There.
You go. 2.
Okay. And I need 1 more to go.
And put 1 more.
There. And 1 more in this one.
And you can actually eat coconut oil. It gives you energy, and it has a whole lot of other benefits that.
Eat that's on your finger.
This will be my first time eating it.
No, go ahead.
I'll eat it.
No, go ahead. Eat all of it. No, just the whole thing. Just go.
It's good. I like it. See? It's good.
I know, well.
No, this is, it's different.
Look.
It tastes like a coconut though. And it's really
Morgan,
not.
that's nasty.
Right,
good.
stop.
Yeah,
It's not even as oily as you would think. It's not that oily for real. It's good for you. It has healthy fats. I'm trying to remember all the benefits.
Oh, Lord.
You're going to be using it too, so.
I'm not going to be eating it like that.
No, actually you're going to be oil pulling with it.
Who?
Oil pulling. Oil pulling is when you take a teaspoon, you put it in your mouth, and you gargle with it for 10 minutes.
What does that do?
And that draws out all the bacteria, and it draws out like impurities from out your whole entire mouth. So we're going to do that. So how many you put? 4 in here? 4 in here, right?
Yeah, I put 3 in there.
And you on your last one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Good job. Okay, stop.
It was on my finger.
I can see him dying, I'm right. Can see him dying, I'm right.
First, because it's the most thickest, I'm gonna get
No, so coconut oil, it liquefies at a certain degree. So if it's a little warm in here, it'll liquefy. So it's all right.
Can see him dying, I'm I can see him dying, I'm a
chocolate.
Peppermint.
Can I you one tonight?
They're gonna put a little bit on their toothbrush.
I think I need more peppermint. Smell it. I need more peppermint.
Two.
Like 2.
Basically, you put it on your toothbrush and you brush like you normally would.
So, like, say that this is a toothbrush. Dip the brush. Do you need water for it?
Put this on your toothbrush. Brush it for like 2 minutes straight, everywhere. And then that's it. Just like regular toothpaste.
Okay.
It doesn't matter. Y'all gonna use this even if you don't like it, because it's good for you. So.
It smells peppermint.
Brush your teeth. Keep on brushing. You have to brush it for.
Not good. Not at all.
It's not good.
2 minutes. Make sure you can go.
Oh, this is working.
Get your gum.
Oh, it's working. Good, it's working.
So this is our Pressa Canario, Bella. Give me paw.
They're gonna
Give me
use
paw.
this as a-
Good girl, Bella. Give me paw. Good girl. Good girl, Bella.
All right, Mary Gangers, please, 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 please do not leave this video until you subscribe. Subscribe wherever the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that button. Make sure you comment, ask us any questions, anything you want to see our families do. Put it in the comment section. Put your notification bell on so you'll know whenever we post a video. And please come back. I would love for you to see the rest of our videos that we post.